Hey guys, this is my second tutorial of the top rock, but this is not the top rock that we learned you one video ago. If I'm not wrong, so we do not learn this one again. We learn this one. So this top rock looks like this. It says something like this. Okay, to do this, you need to take your right foot and kick. Then brought it like this, and then put it here back. And then with this one, put it here. And then with this one, the same thing. Kick, down, now. Kick, down, now. I think you got the idea. So you can also, now let's add the arms. Okay, with the arms, when you kick with this foot, you go something like this. You with your hands here, like a robot. Okay, so you kick and your hands get in the front, like a zombie. Okay, so you kick and your hands get in front. But not like this. Like you don't wanna, oh, I wanna hit you, man. Not like this. Like it's like this. Palm. After this, palm, back. And with this one, you do it like this. Come on, let's hug. Something like this. And then palm again. Palm down, and you can also add the hop to this. So you can do like something like this. Palm, 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 and palm, palm, palm. And this looks faster again, just like this. Zombie.